Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm so excited. I can't even wait to share with you. For those who have subscribed so far, thank you very much, because I know my videos are still awful, but I'm trying so hard to give you the best, and I'm gonna keep trying. And guess what, because I've been using my phone for the vlogs I've put there before, and it's not a bad phone, but with the stabilization and all that, I was really suffering. My videos didn't come out the way I wanted them to come out, and I was like, this is terrible, I have to do something about it. And guess what, guys, I'm so excited. Drum rolls. See what you girl got. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you what's in this box, and I'm so happy. So this is a Lumix G100 camera, and I thought I would improve on my videos, and hopefully I do that. So at the moment I don't even know how to use this camera, but I'm gonna study, because there are a lot of booklets for me to see how to use it and all that, and hopefully the videos will improve in the quality and all that. So I said, let me unbox this with you. Your girl is so happy, like I'm so excited, I can't even wait. So all this is just the paperwork, the warranty, and all that. I don't know yet how to use this camera, but yeah. So it comes, so yeah, I'll be showing you here. It's a box like that, and it comes with 2 gifts, which is a memory card and a second battery. So at the moment I haven't charged it, unboxing it for the first time with you guys. So yeah, this is the camera. I'll show you. It comes in this little thing bag, I don't know. So yeah, and that, guys, I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm super excited. So that's it. So this camera has got a flip like that, and it turns. So here is when you're filming down, or it can turn towards you like that, or like that, or you can. How exciting is that, you guys? I'm so excited, I don't even know what to tell you. But yeah, this is the camera. I'm so excited, I can't wait to use it. Hopefully my videos are gonna be better, and we'll see, you guys. I'm so excited. So this is the camera, and it has this lens that so there is another camera I wanted to get, but it's the lens couldn't, I don't know what was wrong, but anyway, I chose this. There were a few cameras there, I chose this. I don't know why. I saw some reviews on YouTube and they were good. I don't even know how good this is, or I don't know. So I'm just unboxing with you. No reviews. I'm not giving reviews about this camera yet, because I haven't used it, so I don't know how good it is. But yeah, I'm just unboxing with you, but I'm super excited. So yeah, that's the camera, guys. Isn't that cute? So yeah, I'll put it back. Hope I don't break it the first day. I can be clumsy. That's your girl. But yeah. So yeah, and it comes with this tripod. I'll call it a tripod, but I had the girls, and it comes in this little bag, which I like doing that. I remember when I was a kid, I would be in my bed, my mom would buy maybe something, how electronics come in bags like this, so we'll fight over them with my siblings, and whoever got it, you be in your bed and you go as you sleep. Yeah, childhood memories. But yeah, it comes in that, and forgive me, I don't know yet how to use any of these. I'm new to this, but we will learn. And I'll come and give my reviews after I've learned everything about this camera and how good it is. I'll come and give my review, but for now, no idea. So yeah, this is the tripod. So this camera sits on, I guess so. So yeah, this sits on, and you record. So I'm gonna put them together, and then I'll show you after I've put them together. And then it comes with a charger, of course, the battery chargers. So yeah, like that. And then this is the battery that is a gift. So you get 2 gifts, which is the memory card, which is a 32 GB, 32, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, 32 GB and a battery. So these are gifts, they come with it. They don't come in the box, they come separately. I don't know, somebody told me you can get a 64 GB, but I got a 32 GB. So I asked the shop, they were like, yeah, it comes with a 32 GB. I don't know, but yeah, 32 GB and a second battery. So the other battery, I've already put it in here. It's in here and it comes with a camera, but these are gifts that come separately. And then it comes with this is a handle, like you can, you know, put it on your camera like that and just hold it like that, which it will come in handy. And then I feel my favorite that I will use most since I travel, it will be this. So this is a strap for the camera that you can just wear it on your neck like that. So I think this will be more handy for me since I travel. With this one, I'll be scared like to put it on here. I'll think, what if it falls off? You know how you walk with your camera like that? I'll be scared because this is my baby and I'm gonna treat her right. No droppings, nothing. You know how clumsy I am, but with this one I'm gonna be so careful. I can't wait, you guys, and hopefully I'm gonna give you the best videos from today onwards. Right now I'm using my phone to record, but yeah, trust me, I don't know when I'll start, but I already filmed like 2 videos that may come out after using my phone. But yeah, the next videos after that I'm gonna be using this baby here, my baby girl. So yeah, this one will come in handy because when you're traveling, you know, I travel on a bike and all that, so this will come in handy. It will be better, more safer. It will be more safer than this. This also will be okay, but with my baby I'll be scared. I'll think I'm gonna drop her, you know. So yeah, that's all that comes in here, and yeah, that's it. So that's what was in a box. So I saw this nice bag, like camera bag. It was pink in color. It was pink in color, and I was like, I'm getting that for my baby. So I'm gonna be getting a few gadgets for my camera, like a bag. Slowly, you know, for now I'm gonna start slow, but I just wanted to give you the best videos, you guys. So hopefully this will do it, and little by little we'll get more gadgets. But for now, at least let me do this because I don't have subscribers yet, and you guys should subscribe, please. I'm doing so much for you to give you the best. I went ahead and got this camera, guys. Do you know how much this camera was? Guys, but I'm gonna go all the way to make you, my family, my friends, happy. And I hope you subscribe, share with your friends, tell them your girl needs subscribers. Please kindly subscribe and share and leave me a comment and watch my videos to the end. However, I'm not gonna say however boring they may be, but I'll try to make them not boring. And if you feel like there is a video that is boring, just comment down below and tell me what you need me to change, and your girl will do it because she's here for you guys, just for you. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put this all together and I'll show you when it's all together. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next videos because a lot is coming. A lot, guys, a lot is coming. After this baby here, we got a lot to do with her, so a lot is gonna be out, guys. So just keep there, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post, so that you know when your girl is there. So guys, support your girl, and she's gone all the way to give you the best videos, and please don't disappoint her. Kindly subscribe. What the fuck am I doing? Okay guys, see you, bye, ciao.